Hey guys, out here in this beautiful Saint Andre, Quebec. Second catfish of the day. This one's a beauty. Let me get my pliers. Try to unhook this one on camera. See this guy. Nice little catfish. They're coming back. They're looking good. Water's nice and high. Just rained today. And it's perfect temperature for catfish. I've been here about 35 minutes and I had 2 bites that caught and then 1 that I lost. So this would be the second one that caught on. Okay guys, got us. Oh, they're slimy today. Buddy gonna go back in by himself? Let's see, let's try to get him here. Come on buddy. Oh wait, he's a slimy one. Put him back in. There you go buddy.